One way Afton High School helps our students to be prepared for their future and being success ready is by earning college credit while in high school. Why should students consider earning college credit while in high school? It does save time. Some of these classes will take over as if they were taking them in a normal college setting. It saves money. Most of these are offered at a reduced rate than what they would take if they were taking it once they graduate from high school. Some of the universities will transfer depending on the university what they will take and what they will not take. Some only take advanced placement. Some will take dual credit. Some will take a combination. But there is something called the Core 42. Core 42 was established by the state legislators, and all the public universities and community colleges got together and decided on courses that they would take no matter where they took the course, got the credit from. So if you took a course at St. Louis Community College and it was considered one of the Core 42 classes, any public university in the state would take it. There are 6 ways to earn college credit while at Afton High School. Advanced placement are called AP. These are administered by the College Board. Students earn the credit by taking a test in the spring on these particular subjects. These are all the different AP courses that Afton High School offers. Or it could be a portfolio. For example, AP Studio Art, students put together a portfolio and then it's judged. Depending on what the student's score is between 1 and 4, depends on if the university will take it. Some universities, such as Washington University, will only take advanced placement. Dual credit is another option. Dual credit is taught by Afton faculty at Afton High School. There are certain classes that we do offer that is dual credit. Also, some of the CAPS programs and some of the South Tech programs also offer dual credit. These are offered at a reduced rate, normally between at least 1/3 of the price that you would take if you were taking it at the college. For example, St. Louis Community College is only $25 per credit hour. There are some universities that offer assistance if you're a free and reduced lunch. You can see the complete list of dual credit classes at the sites.google.com, aftonschools.net/success-ready/resources/home. Project Lead the Way is a unique situation. There is over 100 national partners with Project Lead the Way that offer dual credit scholarships or admission preferences. You can see the complete list there at pltw.org and just ask for our partners, colleges, and university. Missouri S&T is Missouri's premier partner with Project Lead the Way. They offer credit for courses that we offer through our Project Lead the Way Engineering, Biomed, and soon to be Computer Science. These are unique in the fact that most dual credit you have to apply and pay for when you take the class. With Project Lead the Way, you can do this up until the time that you graduate. It is based usually on your grade and your end of course assessment. Dual enrollment is a little different. It's taught by St. Louis Community College faculty at St. Louis Community College. You could also do some dual enrollment with other universities, but St. Louis Community College is the college that we usually work with. It is done at a reduced rate, usually half the price of it. These are usually done your senior year. One exception is the Early College Academy. Early College Academy students, junior and senior year, they attend St. Louis Community College full-time, and it counts as both their high school credit and their college credit. They are still considered an Afton student, so they can still participate in athletics and activities at the high school. When they graduate from high school, the goal is for them to not only have their high school diploma, but they could also have their associate's degree. There is a separate application that is available sophomore year, and there's financial assistance available. Make It Count is a new program we have joined with St. Louis Community College. High school seniors who have at least a 2.0 can spend their final semester taking college credit at St. Louis Community College. They are still considered a high school diploma, an Afton High School student, and will also be able to participate in activities and athletics. You will get extra support and registration and orientation, along with being able to be with other students who are in the same situation. A+ does not pay for this. If you're planning on using your A+, it's better not to take the Make It Count. It is recommended that you do complete all your high school graduation requirements to participate. Those are the 6 ways that you can earn college credit while at Afton High School.